Welcome back, everyone. I'm N.R.T, and on today's video I'll be doing an unboxing video from our longtime channel sponsor, Benchmarkabrasives. They sent me a new sticker. Yeah, right there. And they came out with a new tool that they want me to review for them. And I said, sure. I've been a brand abrasive for Benchmarkabrasives for over a year now. Never touched one myself like I just did there. But they just came out with this tool, and it's gonna be for sale to the public pretty soon. They sent me flange nut. They also sent me a sticker pack and another sticker. We got tons of stickers. And are you guys ready? That's right. The 7 amp, 11,000 RPM angle grinder from Benchmarkabrasives. We're gonna see how this thing does. Put it to test, and we're gonna see if it's good or if it's junk. Check that out. Pretty cool. Okay, so put the, oh, I see. Durr. I see. That. Like that. Just like that. Pretty sure this is their upgraded. Yeah. Okay. That one. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go over to my Benchmarkabrasive collection I'm going to get. I really know how to flap this. Guess I'm all out of flap this. Gotta put one of them over there. Just like that. There it is. I was about to say, I can't find that little toolbar. It's right here. So they give you a tool. Just like that. Got a tire that's being I got a little old lawn care trailer axle that I'm making pens out of, and the tire won't come off of it, so we're just going to cut the tire. That's what we're going to do. I'm using the Benchmarkabrasives face shield. Let's get to cutting. And there you go. Let's cut through that 5/8 rod. So now I can make some more pens out of this. Now I have that stinking seized tire in the way. So did a pretty awesome job. There'll be more videos to come on this. I'll definitely put this to test. I'm repairing this fuel tank because it has pinholes in it. And I'll probably put a flap disc on it. I'll definitely try it out. I've been just using my wonky with the flap disc. I need to get some more flap discs and Benchmark. I guess I'm out. So, but yeah, so huge shout out to Benchmarkabrasives for sending it out, and I'll definitely be making some more videos on it. So thank you guys for stopping by, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.